make a quick and easy homemade macaroni and cheese. So the first thing we're gonna do is add, well, first thing you have to do is boil your noodles. I use the, as you can see, the small elbows. You boil them. Once they're complete, then you're gonna add 1 stick of butter. You're gonna add a tablespoon of salt. Then you're gonna stir this butter in. It's already softened, so it shouldn't take that long. You stir the butter until it melts evenly into the macaroni noodles, elbow noodles. Hi guys, I hope your holiday is good. This is one of my best recipes. My oven is hot and ready. It's at 300, set for 350 degrees. This usually takes, oh God, I forgot to get my eggs out. This usually takes about 30 to 45 minutes to bake. So don't rush it, okay? Don't rush it. Okay, so we're using buttermilk. Key ingredients is buttermilk. And you have to have salt, because that's the only seasoning besides the cheese that you will add. And this is about, this is 1 quart. Let's see if we need the whole thing. Usually we do, but we'll see. So sometimes I add more noodles than I should. Okay. Buttermilk is in. Butter is melted. We getting our eggs out. Okay, guys. Bear with me. Bear with me. I'm having a Roxy moment. Bear with me, bear with me. Okay, so we're gonna use 3 eggs. That's 1. That's 2. I had a Roxy moment, I'm sorry. And 3. 3 eggs. Alright. Bust the yolks. Once you bust the yolks, then mix. Stir them in. You'll know when it's even, because you won't see a lot of white. It'll be yellow. Okay? I know a lot of y'all like to make roux. This is the same as a roux, but it's cold. And it's in the noodles. That way the noodles get the full impact of the flavor instead of you adding it and cooking 2 times. So let's not do that. Let's not cook 2 times. Because it's just wasting time. You can do all that inside. Okay, so now we have 8 cups, which is 32 ounces, 2 pounds of sharp, well, medium cheddar cheese. I usually use sharp, but they didn't have it. The sharp is better. It's a little bit more greasy, but it's better. You know what grease means? Fat. Right? Okay. So now we're going to add our cheese. So you see it's not a lot of ingredients. It's salt, buttermilk, eggs, cheese, noodles. That's 5 ingredients. That's all you need. Okay. We're going to save a little bit for the top. Now we're going to stir this in. You always should have a good macaroni and cheese. A good macaroni and cheese will always have more cheese than noodles. So you should always see cheese. And when you bake it, you will see cheese. You see some noodles, but you need to see cheese. And you see, as you stir your cheese, how it gets thick. That's how it's supposed to be. This is another edition of Home Cooking with Roxy, and this is Southern homemade macaroni and cheese. This don't take long. It take longer to bake than it do to mix. You know what I'm saying? If you don't, you need to try it. Promise you will not regret it. I promise you will not regret it. I promise you won't regret it. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on YouTube, which you are here at YouTube. Thank you guys for joining us. Please subscribe to my Home Cooking Done Roxy YouTube page. Please, 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 please subscribe to my page. Please, please, please. See? See all that cheese? That's how your macaroni and cheese is supposed to look. Alright, so we're going to finish it off. More cheese. If you got cheese on the top, you got cheese on the bottom. And when it melts. And you just push it out. Push it out. Push it out. Blam, blam, blam. I'm sorry I don't have one ready. Follow me on Facebook, HomeCookingDoneRoxy. Instagram, HomeCookingDoneRoxy. TikTok, HomeCookingDoneRoxy. And then we'll put this in the oven at 350 degrees. Thank you guys for joining me at HomeCookingDoneRoxy. Please follow me, subscribe. Thank you so much.